how to transform your life. This is a step-by-step guide to rewriting your story for success. Welcome. Welcome if this is your first time, and welcome back if you've been before to this channel. This is Brighten Up Sunshine, and here we believe every day is a new beginning. Today, we are going to explore a powerful concept together on how to rewrite your story and how it can transform your life. So if you have ever felt like you've been stuck, held back by your very own thoughts, then this video is specifically designed for you. If you guys don't mind, take just a moment, thumbs up today's artwork. As always, it helps the algorithm. And let's dive in to how changing your internal narrative can actually lead to profound personal transformation. Number one, we're going to sit down and identify our current story. The first step is to reflect on the internal story that you have been living by. I want you to sit down, grab a pen and paper, take a moment to think about the narrative that you have been creating about your very own self. What do you believe about who you are? And what are you capable of achieving? Again, start by grabbing a journal and writing down your current story. Be honest. Be thorough. What negative or limiting beliefs do you actually have that keeps replaying in your mind? What are you holding on to? For instance, you might believe that you're just not good enough, or that success is simply out of your reach. Acknowledge these thoughts. These are the starting points for change. Number two, I want you to challenge those limiting beliefs. Once you've identified what your current story is that's just playing over and over, the next step is to challenge the limiting beliefs. Ask yourself, are these beliefs really true? Reflect on it. Whether they're based on facts or just assumptions and fears, consider specific instances in your life where these beliefs were proved wrong. For example, if you believe you're not capable of succeeding, maybe in your career, think about the past achievements or moments when you exceeded your own expectations. Take a moment. This helps to dismantle the old narrative that's been holding you back. Number three, I want you to rewrite your story. This is where transformation starts. Rewrite your start by replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations. For example, if your old belief was, I'm not good enough, change it to, I am capable and worthy. I can do hard things. Write down these affirmations and repeat them regularly. I can do this. If I set my mind to it, I can do this. Whatever positive thoughts that resonates with you, make these your new affirmations and repeat them regularly. Visualize your new narrative. Imagine the life that you want to lead. What does it look like? How do you behave in this new story you're creating? How do you dress? What do you eat? Where do you go? Who do you hang out with? This visualizing helps to put that image and that new narrative in your own mindset. With your future desire now being played out in your mind, it'll slowly start replacing all those negative beliefs and negative thoughts. Now I want you to sit and think about this. How would, if you had what you wanted, would you be different now? Would you dress different? Would you go a different way to work? What would you be doing differently? and act in alignment with your new story. With your new story in place, it's time for you to take action. Begin by taking the small steps that align with the new narrative. This actually may involve stepping out of your comfort zone. Maybe going the new way to work. Maybe getting a new job, trying new activities, or setting new goals that reflect your updated self-belief. Consistency is always going to be key. I want you to hear that because it's true. The more you align your actions with your new story, the more it becomes your reality. Act as if your new narrative is already true. And over time, your actions will help to cement this new story into your brain and into your life. Now, this is very important. Number 5, surround yourself with positivity. The environment you surround yourself with is greatly going to impact your ability to maintain your new story. Engage with people who actually support and uplift you. Be careful who you share your new vision with. Seek out friends, mentors, or communities that reinforce your new narrative and encourage your growth. Additionally, immerse yourself in resources that inspire you, like books, podcasts, videos that align with your new story. What would this new story person be listening to? I bet you things like this. This positive influence will help you stay motivated and focused on your transformation and your whole entire journey. And it is a journey. It's not a destination. You will grow and grow and grow. Number 6, reflect and adjust. Changing your story is not going to be easy. It's an ongoing process. It's easy to write it down, but it's easy to act it until something inside of you or someone says, "Why are you doing that? That's not you." But it is you. If it's going to be consistently done over and over, it is you. So it's an ongoing process to battle the old you to become the new you. So this is why regularly reflecting on your progress helps. Are there any old beliefs or habits that keep coming up? Evaluate how you can adjust your actions to stay aligned with your new narrative. I want you to celebrate each win. Remember, it's not perfection, it's progress. No matter how small these may seem, celebrate. Recognize, appreciate, give thanks for each victory along the way, as these moments are important milestones on your journey to rewriting your story. And number 7, embrace the journey. I want you to finally embrace the journey of transformation with patience and resilience and persistence. Changing your story will take time and it will take effort, but you must be patient with yourself and understand this is a gradual process. And again, it is a journey, not a destination. And that will help you. Challenges and setbacks are a natural part of the journey. View them as opportunities to strengthen and reinforce your new narrative. Stay resilient and keep moving forward. Persistence is your new best word to say. I am persistent. Knowing that each step you take will bring you closer and closer to the life that you are creating and you are writing. Thank you guys for joining me on this journey to rewrite our stories. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and hit the like, the subscribe, specifically for this artwork today. How cute is that? And if you're listening to this on a podcast and you can't see the artwork, trust me, it is adorable. It's a cute little fox and a cute little bird. I hope that you take a moment, share this with someone who might benefit from this message. And remember, guys, the sun always rises. I'll see you in the next video.